hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome if you are new. I do hauls and some vlogs here and there. Sorry, my name's Anel. Anyway, so for this video, I am going to show you this order that I placed for Happy Planner and Disney collaboration. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it and yeah, we'll take a look. Okay, so I ordered this maybe a month ago or so, but I haven't opened it. I've had some health issues that just, you know, I got really busy. So anyway, so we're gonna open it together now. Oh, so pretty, so cute. So it comes in a box like this. Sorry, let me move this camera so you can see. Okay, that's better. Okay, so it comes in this box, and it's a Disney collaboration. So let's open and see. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. It's really cute. This is the best of times. Comes with a little Mickey sticker and some wrapped nicely in tissue paper. So let's open this and take a dive in. Wow, this is so cute. So I guess the first thing that we can grab is like a fanny pack. Oh, this is so cute. I can't wait to wear this to the parks. So it has different Disney characters. Minnie, Alice in Wonderland, Mickey Mouse, 101 Dalmatians, Tigger, Dumbo. I don't know this cat's name, but it's from Alice in Wonderland. I can see Daisy back here. It's really cute. This is the same characters throughout. And then inside, it's this like mint green lining with like tiny little Mickeys around, like little white Mickeys. It's really cute. It's super cute. It's that, and then there's this card, says ready for new adventures. And then I guess it breaks it down like what's in the box. There's a pack of stickers. Super cute. I love stickers. And so this is so cute for me. Let's see. So I do like memory keeping, and these would be perfect for that. So I'm just here for the snacks. Yes, who's not? Who doesn't go to Disney for the snacks, right? And then let's have fun. And then Dumbo, believe in your dreams. Super cute. So there's 3 stickers here. I believe it comes with like a sticker pack too. And there's this passport. So again, it's the same characters in the fanny pack, except that I see Winnie the Pooh here. Oh, this is cute for memory keeping. So it has rides and attractions. So you put, I guess, a sticker. I'm not sure if there are stickers that go with it. And the name, where, fun level, mild, moderate, high. And there's shows and entertainment. And then food and wine. I mean, sorry, not food and wine. Sorry, food and drinks. I guess it's just for memory keeping. And there's this cute pen. Super cute. And then these stickers. Super cute. And then there's this book. Oh, I think it's an autograph book. Like if you have kids, this would be cute for them to walk around and get autographs. This is cute. It's has like this very light mint green design with Mickey and like little twinkle stars. There's so many. And then in the back, I guess it has like these plastics maybe to put pictures. It's really cute, and I like that you can change these the disc. And then things to do, so you can put this in your, it's like an insert to like for your planner. So things to do, I guess here for like extra space to write down stuff. And then the back, it has just blank space with Daisy and Donald in the corner. And then there's this. Let's see what this is. This is the best of times. So again, same characters. Oh, it says trip details. So I guess it's to plan your trip to Disney. You know, trip details, park plans, and notes. Let me take this off. So under trip details, it has, you know, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months in advance, and then on the other side it has 1 month, 2 weeks, 1 week, and the day before, and then the day of trip. And so it has all these like budget trackers, you know, how to budget your plans, and then package comparisons, and then travel and transportation, house and pet sitting. So it's everything to plan your trip to Disney. And then, you know, packing list, and then park plans. So it gives you day 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 12. And then like other stuff, tours, gifts, gift ideas for I guess people that you want to bring gifts for, different memory stuff, dining stuff, so everything to plan your park activities and things like that. And then on notes is just blank sheets of paper with Mickey in the corner. Okay, last one. Okay, so this disc has Mickey, and it says "Let's have fun," and then it's there's some stickers, and there's snacks. Let's see what it has. Oh, this is for like memory keeping. I love this. This is exactly what I was hoping for, and this is exactly what I wanted, because I'm a local, so this the other so this one might not be too helpful for me, because, well, not the trip details, because I'm a local to at least Disneyland, but maybe if I plan a trip to Disney, that might be helpful. But the park plans it's helpful, and the notes. But this one, I love that you can, you know, just memory keep. I love doing memory keeping, so this is perfect. You pick your picture, you know, quick little, you know, like note from that day, or like what to remember, what do you want to remember from this particular time that you went. So I love it. So it even tells you the size of the picture. So it's 3x3, 3x3, 4x5. And then the big one is 4x6. So 4x6 pictures, good. Yeah, so love this. This is perfect for someone that loves going to Disney, or has a Disney trip planned. This is great. Let's see, this one I didn't check. Oh, the disc for this is just hearts. So yeah, this is everything that came. So these inserts, you can put them in this one or the other one. It works for both. And then the autograph book, this is super cute. This one you can just put either here, or you can put it on your like a board or something. Stickers, love stickers. This is super cute, super cool to use for also memory keeping, kind of like that last folder. And then stickers. Oh, and there's the pen and the little pouch, or the fanny pack, sorry. So all super cute. Can't wait to use all this stuff. And you know, I can make a video when I'm using it, especially the memory keeping, so I can show you how I use it. If you're interested in that, give me a thumbs up. And comment below if you like planner stuff. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Hold up, I am